So how do you track your AirTag? Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Genie Guide. So in this video I'll simply guide you on how you can track your AirTag, which means to locate it if you happen to lose it. So make sure to watch the video till the end. Now in order to track your AirTag device, the very first thing you want to make sure is that you have already connected your AirTag to your iPhone. In this case I've already actually connected it, and if you have not yet connected, you can watch our previous video where we've already taught you as to how you can go ahead and connect your AirTag to your iPhone. So assuming that you've already actually placed your AirTag and then connected it to your iPhone, I'm just going to place this AirTag somewhere else over here. And then once I place the AirTag somewhere and I want to track it, all I have to do is, it's very simple. I just need to go ahead and then open the Find My application on my iPhone, right? So once I open the Find My app, by default you're going to be under the People's tab. So you have to come to the Devices tab or the Items tab over here, and then you'll find your AirTag. Now since this AirTag is right over here with me, it is simply saying AirTag with me right over here. But if I place it maybe a kilometer or maybe some kind of meters away, it is going to ask me to go ahead and then track that specific AirTag. Now if I just place it somewhere else, somewhere far, I'll be able to simply select it and find the directions by typing on the directions item over here. Once I type on direction, it will navigate to the Apple Maps. So if you have not yet downloaded Apple Maps, you have to download it, and right over here you will be able to find the directions to your AirTag. Because in my case it is right next to me, it is just saying walking directions not available. But basically this is it as to how you can tag your AirTag. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any more questions, and feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next video.